My mouth is tied on with a guitar string. I'm $7,000 to the bank machine. For this car is ever really mine. But some fine day I'll drive her downtown, get a burger and fries and a Royal Crown, thanking God that I'll never have to pay another dime. My life is like a lemon drop I'm sucking on the bitter to get to the sweet part. I know there are better days ahead. I got dirty shirts and worn out jeans. I'll shoot up the quarters to the washing machine. For these clothes will ever really shine. But I got me a man who just don't care if his little darling's got underwear. I know someday I'm gonna be his wife. My life is like a lemon drop I'm sucking on the bitter to get to the sweet part. I know there are better days ahead. I got thrift store curtains and windows on my home. I'm paying for a house that the landlord owns. Bought a TV on a credit card. It'll take me 10 years to pay it off. But some fine day I'll be drinking a beer in a big backyard. I own free and clear. Oh, I know there are better days ahead. So I play my hopes and play my dreams just like 2 coins in a slot machine, singing glory hallelujah if everything works out fine. My life is like a lemon drop I'm sucking on the bitter to get to the sweet part. I know there are better days ahead. Lord, I know there's better days ahead.